for the art of boat night. I'm on a boat, go to some islands, scuba diving, snorkeling, whatever you want to call it. I'm on it. You want to be in it? We got up pretty early today. We got up around 6 o'clock and it took us like 2-hour drive to get here. I like this. This is the best part. I want a boat just so I can do this. Oh, you're so strong, Ed. You must go to the gym.
I go for a climb someday. Brooklyn boulders, and I always wear my right guard.
Captain Deny Dan here. We're sailing in Santo Domingo. Armed the boat. We're the pirates of booty. Surrender the booty or else.
How ridiculous do I look? On a scale of 1 to 10, me, I am the captain now! Yes! Alright, so the trick is they bring you out on like a 40-minute boat ride and the guy has his own starfish with him. He brings the starfish and he lets you hold them and you take a picture with it. And at the end, he asks for like a tip. Let's see if we can find this starfish. I tried to find my own starfish. I've been swimming around with these goggles on. I can't find my own starfish.
Hurry up, we have to go back.
Oh, we have to go back?
Uh-huh.
Now we're headed to the islands. Finally going to the islands right now. Alright, just got off the boat. And like the last 3 feet of this beach right here is all coral and rocks. It's like the worst thing to step on. It's horrible for your feet. I wish I had water shoes. So this is real nice. Check this out, guys. ¿Qué lo que? Papi, ¿qué tal?
Tranquilo, mi hermano, ahí en la playa.
And this is now, I claim mine.
Dale viejo, coño, no me dejes machete. Era así que estaba. El viejo para viene y
This is a cool bathroom area.
Legit.
Alright, so we're here chilling in paradise. We have some massage chairs in the back. This could easily be like your desktop wallpaper. Check this out. Alright, let's walk around a little bit. Check out my surroundings. Walking around without a shirt on just to work on my tan. Put a little suntan lotion. SPF 30. I'm not sure how I would feel like to live on an island. You can't get much here. Like, everything has to be delivered to you. And like the water is like through a big like tank. So like to take your shower, just like drips down on you. Get a load of this view. Beautiful pictures. I'm gonna take at least 100 pictures. You know, they all might like look similar, but I'm gonna put like all 100 as my background picture of my computer, and they'll just be a little bit different each picture. This sun is beating down on me. I am sweating bullets right now, but the pictures, the video is so beautiful, beautiful. Thank you for joining me on my adventure today on the boat, snorkeling, visiting this gorgeous island. If you like this video and want to see more, you can check out videos from all around the world on my channel. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Thanks guys, peace.